What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tuned Dangers, and today we're going to be replacing the clutch in the 71 C10. Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be changing out the clutch in the truck, and we have our friend Sammy to help us out. The leaky ass transmission, right? So the first thing we're going to do is take off the differential so we can go ahead and take off the transmission. Alright guys, so right here we're disconnecting the levers for the gears. Alright guys, if you're looking here, you can go ahead and see the pressure plate, the clutch, and also the dog bearing. Alright guys, so right here we're trying to take off the flywheel because our friend Sammy's going to go ahead and take it to a shop to go get it cut and smooth so it can have a smooth surface. Alright guys, but as you can see, we're having a really hard time taking it off. It's because one of the pins, the guide pins, is stuck to it, so we're trying to take it off and put a bunch of force on it. So we had to take out the torch because it was not budging with all the brute strength we were using. So yeah, we're gonna see if this torch can go ahead and take off this. Oh shoot! Alright guys, so right here we're trying to take off the side plate on the transmission because we're gonna go ahead and check out all the gears, make sure they're all working, check out the synchros and the clutches. So that's what we're doing right now.
It's wheat bread. Yeah, push the bearing out.
Push the bearing out?
Yeah.
Well, you're the mechanic to help you take out your pilot bread. Don't forget to use wheat bread, guys. If you use the white bread, it's not gonna work.
I told you it was gonna work.
Alright guys, so right here you can go ahead and see how the flywheel came out. It looks like brand new, but it's because we just cut it down. This time we are gonna cut it down. It's time to show that we don't fall.
Don't make fun of my gasket making skills.
Look into my eyes and tell me the way I feel. Tell me what I feel.
You? Alright guys, so right here we're just putting everything back together again, so we can go ahead and drive this truck.
Look into my eyes and tell me the way I feel. Tell me the way I feel.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the grommet on this differential support because you can see it's all messed up. So we're gonna replace it with the brand spanking new one. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I'll see you next time.